Hello and welcome. I'm really happy you're here today. This video was made for you to watch many times. The more you repeat it, the more your listening will improve, and the more motivated you will feel every single day. Come back daily, train your ear, and keep your mind focused on being 1% better. Let's begin. 1% better every day. Every day you wake up, you are given a new chance. A new chance to decide who you want to be, how you want to act, and what kind of future you want to build. Life does not change in one big moment. It changes in small steps, repeated over and over again. Success is not about doing something once with a lot of energy. Success is about doing the right things every single day, even when you don't feel like it. That is why consistency is the best tool you can ever have. You don't need to transform your entire life today. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to do everything at once. What you need is to get just 1% better every day. Imagine this. If you improve just a little, if you grow just a little, if you push yourself just a little, that 1% every day will turn into something powerful after 1 year. Small daily progress becomes unstoppable growth. Maybe today you don't feel strong. Maybe you are tired. Maybe you don't see results yet. But remember this, your future is built on what you do today, not on what you feel today. Feelings come and go, but actions remain. Discipline is choosing to do what must be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. That is how you separate those who dream from those who achieve. Think about it. The most successful people in the world are not the ones who only work hard once in a while. They are the ones who showed up every single day. They are the ones who kept going when it was boring, when it was hard, when it seemed impossible. They understood that the first day is important, but what really changes your life is the second day, the third day, and every day after that. Consistency creates transformation. So today, make a decision. Let today be your day one, the first day of a new version of you. The first day you say, I will not wait anymore. I will not keep dreaming without acting. I will not let fear control me. Today I take the first step. And tomorrow you take the second step. And the day after, the third step. That is how you win. Step by step, day by day, one choice at a time. When you think about the big picture, success looks far away. It looks impossible. But when you focus only on today, on this one day, everything becomes simple. Ask yourself, what is one thing I can do today to be 1% better? It can be something small. Reading one page, learning one new word, doing one push-up, writing one idea, making one phone call, one step forward. Small steps done with consistency will always beat big dreams without action. And yes, there will be days when you don't want to do it. Days when you are tired, busy, or discouraged. Those are the most important days. Because when you push yourself in the days you don't want to, you prove to yourself that you are stronger than your excuses. You build character. You build discipline. You build the future you want. Success is not built in comfort. Success is built in those uncomfortable moments when you choose discipline over excuses. So, wake up every day with this thought. Today, I will be 1% better. Write it down. Say it to yourself in the mirror. Repeat it until it becomes your belief. Because when your mind believes it, your actions will follow. And when your actions follow, your life will change. Don't underestimate the power of small beginnings. The gym champion started with one workout. The millionaire started with one idea. The writer started with one page. The leader started with one decision. Everything great begins small, but it grows through consistency. Never forget this. Success is not about intensity. It is about constancy. One day, you will look back and realize that the little things you did every day created the big life you wanted. The extra effort, the repeated discipline, the 1% daily improvement. These are the bricks of your future. One brick at a time, one day at a time, you are building something unshakable. So let today be your beginning. Let this moment be the moment you change. Not tomorrow, not someday, not when you feel ready. Today, right now, because your future is waiting for you, and it starts with this first decision. Take the first step, stay consistent, and never stop moving forward. Every day is a new chance. Every action is a seed. Every 1% improvement is progress. Keep planting, keep working, keep believing. The harvest will come. Your success will come. Your life will change. And when it does, you will know it all started with one day, one choice, one step forward. So don't just listen to this. Live it. Act on it. Today is your day one. Today you start to be 1% better. And tomorrow you will continue. Consistency is your best tool. Discipline is your best friend. And daily improvement is your unstoppable power. Keep going. Your future self will thank you for the work you do today. Thank you so much for listening until the end. I hope today's message gave you motivation and also help you practice your English. If you enjoyed this content, please give a video a like and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll always receive new episodes to keep learning and improving every day. See you next time and keep moving forward.